Welcome, I'm Randy Sharkey, and we are inside the sweet helicopter hangar located in Goshen, Indiana. In just a few minutes, we will push the aircraft outside and get started on our journey to successfully passing your next practical test. Sweet Helicopters is owned and operated by Chuck Surak, who also happens to be a commercial helicopter pilot himself. Sweet Helicopters' corporate headquarters and maintenance facility are located in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Today, we are going to produce a video called Rotor Tips. In this video, you will view 10 tips on helping students pass their rotorcraft practical test. Last year, Kenny Keller, creator of Helicopter Online Ground School, did a 10-part series on the top 10 pet peeves as a DPE. Now we've taken that series and redefined it into the latest rotor tips. We hope that you find them helpful. If nothing else, I hope you enjoyed the ride in our Augusta 109S. Kenny has cameras positioned in different places throughout the aircraft to give you some great angles. Now I do have to mention this disclaimer. Today's rotor tips are not mandated by the FAA, and they are only to serve as an educational guideline as you prepare to take your practical rotorcraft test.